Hi, you joined me halfway through a practice session where I'm working on trying to flight the ball with the driver, just a little bit right to left, little draw shots. And I've sprayed a little bit of foot spray in the face here. I've got TrackMan running. Now you'll see from the first few strikes there, the ball strikes are very, very central. Okay. Now all these have gone with a little soft draw. We're going to highlight the difference now if you hit the ball off centre and the effect that an off centre strike has on the ball flight. So this one I'm going to try and catch out the heel. So I'm just going to change this here so that we know I'm going to strike out the heel. Okay. That was miles out the heel. Now that's a good one. So strike-wise here, you can see just how far out the heel that was struck. And what will happen here is, as you strike the ball slightly out the heel, there's going to be a huge amount of twist and the club face will start pointing much more left. So have a little look and see what we've got here. We zoom in a little shade on these figures. Okay, now we'll see here that we've got a little difference in the numbers earlier on. Here the average of all the previous shots. The club was travelling to the right by 2.88 degrees on average, and on the face there was slightly to the right 1.3 degrees, which means the face on average was 1.5 degrees left of the path, which means the ball should, on a well-struck shot, have a little bit of curve to the left. So spin axis 6 degrees left. Average carry distance was 257. On the last one, the heel strike, the one highlighted in yellow, club was still travelling to the right, roughly 3.7 degrees. Now the face here was 2.2 degrees left, which means the face was 5.8 degrees left of the path. Now generally speaking, that should create a bit of a hook, to say the least. But the spin axis here is 10.5 degrees to the right. Again, result of the heel strike there. As the club and ball travel together, the club twists massively left, which is why this is recorded as the face pointing left so much. And then the ball then actually has what we call gear effect spin. Now, if you imagine two cogs together, one's going to turn one direction, the other goes the other, and that's what happens to the club and ball contact. Another little knock-on effect there is the distance previously, the average distance before was 257 carry. That last one there was 231 carry. Now, whilst that heel strike should have been a draw purely based on numbers, we can see the ball flight there is actually curved to the right considerably, and all that was purely down to the ball striking. So if you want to check your ball striking, spray a little of this Dactaron foot spray onto the golf club and have a little look and see what actually happens to your flight.